Hello and welcome to this video on JavaScript modules. In this video, we'll explore what a module is, why we need them, and how to use them effectively in our code. So why do we need modules? Well, as our codebase grows, it becomes increasingly difficult to manage and maintain. Modules help us organize our code into smaller, reusable pieces. Let's take a look at ES6 modules. These are the most modern way of creating modules in JavaScript. Now let's look at CommonJS modules. These are the most widely used type of module in JavaScript. Finally, let's look at UMD modules. These are a hybrid of ES6 and CommonJS modules. Now let's talk about importing modules. This is how we use the code in a module in our own application. Now let's talk about exporting modules. This is how we make our code available to other parts of the application. Let's create a simple module that exports a function. We'll then import and use this function in another part of the application. Here's a diagram showing how modules are imported and exported. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make when working with modules. One of the most common is misunderstanding module syntax. In this video, we've covered the basics of JavaScript modules. We've talked about why we need them, how to create and import modules, and some common mistakes people make. If you want to learn more about JavaScript modules, here are some next steps. Thanks for watching this video on JavaScript modules. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.